Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. I just wanted to show you our water setup here at the new shop. We've just been using garden hoses in the past, and while they work great, hoses they make these days don't seem to hold up as well as they used to, and all the time they're leaking or they bust or whatnot. So I did something kind of simple here. First thing I did was that I got one of these hydrants, these freeze-free hydrants, and I plumb that into the water here from the building that we rent. And that's good because it won't freeze. It will drain out in the winter. All the water will drain out, and I don't have to worry about busting pipes or anything like that. But basically all I've made was this PVC manifold that I'm screwing onto there with a hose fitting right here. And let me show you, I've got one over here that we can use for just a hose over here, but let me show you over here at our filling station where we have our spray van, kind of what I've done. I won't show you too much of the new shop area, it's not ready yet. So over here at our spray van, I've ran 3/4 inch PVC line all the way over here. And I've basically just made this little manifold right here. And I've used these ball valves right here because you get a lot more flow than using like a traditional hose faucet. If you look inside the ball joints, the hole's much bigger than the tiny little hole that you get when you use like a hose bib. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get as much flow as possible because the quicker we can fill our tanks up, the faster the guys can get in and out of the shop and less wasted time. So, I basically just split this 3/4 inch feed coming from the hydrant over there into three. These two we hook up quick connects inside the van, and the guys are able to fill the tanks automatically with that. And then we have our just our hose here for washing the vehicles and whatever else we need. But simple setup, but that's our setup for water here at the new shop. In the future, I'm probably going to add some kind of reservoir, maybe like 1,000-gallon reservoir, and use like 1.5 or 2 inch hose so that we can fill our 300-gallon tanks in about just a matter of minutes. But that will be the next improvement I make in the coming years. But for now, this gets a lot more flow than what we had at our previous shop.